Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about technology, a topic that's absolutely central to modern life. Whether you're describing your devices, asking for tech help, or chatting about apps, this vocabulary is essential. Let's start with the devices we use every day. A smartphone is a mobile phone with internet access and apps. A laptop is a portable computer. A tablet is a flat touchscreen device, like an iPad. And a wearable is a device you wear, like a smartwatch. When talking about technology, you'll often hear the word software. Software means the programs and applications that run on a device. For example, the software needs updating, or I downloaded some new software for editing videos. One of the most common tech conversations is about problems. You might say, my laptop keeps freezing, it won't respond. Or, the app crashed and I lost everything. Or, my internet connection is really slow today. Freezing means the screen stops responding. Crashing means a program suddenly stops working. A very useful word is update. When you update your device, you install the latest version of the software. It often includes bug fixes, corrections for errors, and new features. Someone might ask, have you updated your phone recently? Or, the update broke my settings, now nothing works properly. Cloud storage is another important concept. Instead of saving files on your device, you save them online. Services like Google Drive or iCloud let you access your files from anywhere. You might say, I've backed everything up to the cloud. Or, I ran out of storage, I need to delete some photos. Battery life is always a hot topic. You might complain, this app is draining my battery, I'm losing charge really fast. Or explain, I always charge overnight, so I start the day at 100%. Today we covered devices, software, common problems, updates, cloud storage, and battery life. Keep using these words in real conversations. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.